it's Y from Maker Monday. Today's project is a character from the Muppets. His name is Beeker. Here he is with his lab coat and wild hair. Beeker doesn't have much to say, but you always know what he's thinking. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a toilet paper tube, squeezy glue, big googly eyes, an orange pom-pom, markers in 3 different shades of greenish blue, and I'm using crepe paper. His hair is orange, but red works too. Figure out how tall you want your Beeker hair to be and rip a whole bunch of pieces of crepe paper. Next, get your squeezy glue and add glue to the inside top of your tube. We're going to place the hair inside the tube so it sticks straight up. His hair is really wild. Start with 1 round of crepe paper, add some extra glue, then go around it 1 more time with extra crepe paper. Tear it up and fluff it out. Next, we're going to figure out where to draw the mouth. Right about here. It's a big upside down U, or you could think of it as a rainbow arch shape. Next, we're going to draw a tie. And a line goes all the way around to the back. This is the collar. Next to the tie, we have 2 triangles, and then his lab coat ends here and here. Take your lightest shade of bluish green and color the lab coat all the way around the back. Next, take your medium green and make checkers on his shirt. Lines going straight across and straight up and down. Finally, his tie is the darkest green. Let's add the eyeballs. They're going to be very high up and very close together. Next is the nose. And look, it's Beeker! Good job, makers! Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to do a new project every week.
Me, 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 me. Me, me.